Hey, in this video we are going to talk about civil engineering and programming. Why civil engineer need to study programming? And actually this is not related to civil engineering. We can say any engineering departments or any science for today need to study programming. Before we start, we need to know what is civil engineering here. So we can say civil engineering encompasses the design. We need to design the elements, structural elements, steel or concrete, or composites from steel or concrete. Also, we need to know how we can construct. So construction of the elements, maintenance of essential infrastructure, substructure or superstructure here. So this include building, bridges or road, water system, and so on. So this field is divided into many key disciplines. For example, structure, geotechnical, transportation, water resources, and environmental engineering. So we can say here the main purpose of civil engineering is aimed to enhance our quality of life by creating sustainable developments, or we can say creating more efficient environments. So because of that, we need a technical skills to work here with the civil engineers. So because civil engineering has several fields, so we need analysis skills to analysis and design the structural elements, including the steel or concrete elements. Also, we need to know many software to work with this purpose. So there are many software used for analysis and design. So we can say there are a different software type here as a key software for civil engineers. For example, project management, Primavera or Microsoft project. This software allows us to scheduling, resource management, and project tracking. So we need to know how we can work with this software. Also, we need to software that help us to creating the drawing. So we need to know, for example, AutoCAD. This help us to creating a detailed plans, 2D or 3D for our models. Analysis and design. This is very crucial or very important software. There are many software from many companies. For example, from Computer and Structure, CSI company. We have SAP 2000, ETABS, SAVE. This software actually designed by civil engineer, because the software developer or programmer here don't know how can design this software. So we need civil engineer work align with the software developer, or civil engineer at the same time it's work as a software developer here to create and develop this type of software, because this software depend on design code and method and strategies studied by civil engineer. Another types of software we have it here, the 3D modeling and BIM software, for example Revit. This software allow us to creating project models for collaboration and visualization. It's look like we are going to create a real model in our computer. So because of that, this software, as I mentioned before, it cannot developed by the software developer as alone, because as a software developer or a programmer, I don't know how this software is work, because it depends on the methods, strategies that related to the Department of Civil Engineering. For example, the analysis of the elements here. So I need to study the finite elements Also, for design elements, I need to know the codes that's related to the design parameters and the equations. So I need to study the codes and these strategies, which is related to the civil engineers. Okay, then I'm going to create a software help civil engineering to do that. So that's why should civil engineer learn programming here. We need to automate many calculations in both design, analysis, design, and construction. Also, from civil engineer or in the work in civil engineering, there are many data needed to analysis. This helps us to create a decision for our work. Also, for today, the AI plays the crucial factor here for the maintenance. So we need to know about AI. So we need to know programming as the first point before we go ahead with the AI. Also, they improve the collaboration between the team of the project in general.